Turn off the toilet angle valve. Lift the toilet seat lid assembly from the back of the toilet. Lift them upward with slight force to release the bottom clips. Once the seat lid assembly is loosened, gently lift it up a bit. Be mindful of the hoses underneath. The thin white hose is the inlet hose for the cleaning device. The black hose is connected to the flush button. Grasp the black hose and pull downward to disconnect it. The white hose has a quick release clip. Push it upward. Once pushed up, the hose becomes loose and can then be pulled out. Press and hold to remove it. After disconnecting the hoses, the seat lid assembly can be fully removed. Check if the flushing function has any issues. Start by inspecting the two hoses connected to the button. Trace them to the control valve and air pump. The main thing to watch for, make sure this hose isn't bent. If there's abnormal behavior when using the foot sensor, check whether this hose is kinked. This black hose is the foot control hose. It must remain free of bends, especially at this section. It tends to bend easily. Adjust the hose to avoid any bending. Return it to its original position. Once you confirm the hose is not kinked, test whether the flush function is working properly. If everything is functioning normally, reinstall the seat lid assembly. When reconnecting the inlet hose, make sure to press down the quick release clip. Then push the hose in directly. Try pulling it gently to confirm it's secured. The button should be inserted into the upper slot. Once it clicks into place with a snap sound, it's installed correctly. Press down firmly to secure it. The toilet seat lid assembly is now reinstalled.